Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to go through how you can top coat using liquid latex and what it's used for and all those kind of things. I love using liquid latex to top coat because it just gives you really smooth edges. So I thought I'd do a little how to and hopefully you get something from this video. Other than that, let's just get started. So this is the tray that I'm going to be top coating and I'm going to be using this liquid latex to do so. I just got this off Amazon, but yeah, anyone like this will work absolutely brilliantly. I love this technique so much because it gives such a clean finish without getting like drips around your edges. Because another technique, you can use tape, you can use like painter's tape and tape around the edge and then pour on top, which works okay, but sometimes you get like drips and stuff and it can just become a bit of a mess, whereas this seems to work really well. I'm going to be applying it with this flat brush. I'm just going to apply it generously all across the edges. It's quite fast drying as well, which is really good. And what's great about this is once it's dry, it just peels straight off. Even if you get drips on top of it, it just peels straight off. It's absolutely amazing. You can do 2 coats. I tend to use one, and that seems to work fine, but I do apply it quite thickly. And then also I'm just going to do the back as well, just in case any drips get on the back. I'm just going to take a piece of kitchen roll and I'm just going to wipe away any liquid latex that's just got to the top, because obviously that's where we want our resin to go. So anywhere that's just got a little bit on the top, and then I'm just going to let it set. Okay, so I've pre-mixed my resin. The liquid latex is now all dry and I wiped the edges down as well. I'm just going to get some gloves on. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour a thin layer of resin on top. It doesn't matter if it goes down the sides, because like I said before, it will just peel right off once it's set. So I'm just going to carefully pour some on top. This technique works really well if you've done like a flower piece, or if you're working on a mould that has gone quite matte and you want to top coat to make it all shiny again. I've just used this coaster mould as like an example just to show you how this works, but it really can bring to life like that clarity that we look for when working with resin. Okay, so I've put my resin on top. I'm going to leave this to set for 24 hours. That's it, nice and simple. And I'll show you how clean looking it looks afterwards. Okay, it is the next day now. Look at that beautiful top layer. I love it so much. And now I'm going to peel off the liquid latex. As you can see, there's some drips here, but look what happens once I start to peel it off. Look how easy that is. Just comes straight off. I absolutely love it. It's so handy. And then you get that really clean finish. And that's it. I've just peeled it all off. Look how crystal clear it is. That's what's great about craft resin in particular, is that it's perfect for top coating. You get that crystal clear finish, and with liquid latex as well, it just gives you such a smooth, clean edge, even if it drips over the side. It's absolutely, like, I just love it so much. I love this technique so much. Definitely let me know if you give it a go. And that's it. It's really as simple as that. Make sure to tag us on Instagram at SternTogetherUK and at craft.resin. If you give this technique a try, I would love to see. If you're watching this in the Facebook community group, remember that there are loads of videos in the guide section, and be sure to subscribe if you're watching on YouTube too, so you don't miss out on any future videos. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Happy crafting!